Hi everybody, my name is Ajay Singh and I will be talking about the object-oriented programming concepts and I will be starting with the concept of class and object in this video, and probably in the next coming sessions I will be covering the other key concepts of object-oriented programming. So as you can see on the screen, we have the images of dogs. Why did I open these images? So the intention behind this is to actually make you understand what is a concept, what is an object, and what is a class. So for example, if I take an example of a dog here, so we know the color of, or we can see the color of the dog is white, his tongue is uh, red, he can bark, he can eat. So we have some attributes related to the color, related to the positioning, related to how he walks or how he eat and how does he bark, right? So all these things define a dog, right? A dog, a particular dog. So when I talk in particular about a dog, it is a object, and and it belongs to the dog class because every image here is of dog, but the specific dog I can see here, I can define it attributes to identify it. So it becomes the object. Okay, so in object oriented programming, like in Java, an object is the instance of a class. So understand class is abstract concept which is not in the physical, which is intangible, you cannot touch it, you cannot feel it, right? But once I define a particular attribute of that classes and data members or methods that you say, it becomes a object. Still not clear? Okay, so I'll make you understand with the code now. Okay, let me start with a new Java project. So I'll name it as Java Learning 1. Next, finish. I'll add a class. So I'm adding a class. Say class name is here dog. Okay, I'm adding a main method here. Okay, so it has created a class of dog. So it means it is a template. Clear? So this is the template, and the particular instance of this template, or if I fill this template up, it will become a instance of this class, a method. Okay, right. So what a object or what a class in Java can have, I'll discuss that in details. But before that, let's start. Okay. So we are in class dog. So we can have, say, um, string color equal to, so color is what? White. Okay. Okay. Say position. Uh, let's skip this. So color is white. Say string tongue is red. It can be color or any other thing. Okay. Now this is a kind of state of the dog. Now we will talk about the behavior of the dog. So for example, void bark. dog barks. Okay, clear? Okay, so let's understand. So I should not be defining ideally the specifics in the class dog. So colored okay, right. So this is the definition of dog class. Okay, so definition of dog class is string color string tongue which we have to define for a particular dog, and the barking we are defining it as something this. If I create an instance of this class in the main method, so this is the method where actually code entry starts, so code executes from main. So if I write it like so, understand this carefully. I am going to declare the object of dog. So dog, say d is equal to new dog. Understand? So dog d is equal to new dog. So d is the reference to the object. So new dog has created an object in the memory, and d is referencing that object. So as I explained in the previous videos as well, for example, this is the overall RAM, and this is the allocation in memory. If I name it as say D, no, say the particular dog which is here, it is new dog. So this code which we have written over here, it has created a memory space here, and this is now known as D here. So new dog has created a memory inside a RAM, and this D is referencing to that memory. Okay, now we will try to access its attributes. So for example, you can see color and tongue. So for example, if I write it like this, p dot color, say if I declare this to be white, it means the color of the dog has become white. Sorry, it should be d dot tongue equal to say red. So it means we have defined the color of tongue and the dog. So I'm updating this so that it will make more sense to you guys. Okay, right. So now it's time to access the method which is a bar. Okay, so it is not taking any argument here. If I run this program now, save this and run as Java application. So this is printing dog colored white, tongue colored red box. So we can provide some spaces like here, colored. Okay, run as Java application. Dog colored white, tongue colored red box. So we have defined D is the particular instance of the dog class. Now we should be clear with what is a class and what is the instance of the class, right? Good. So we will be talking more about what is other object oriented programming concepts in my next video. Hope this has helped you guys. If you like this video, please press the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel if you want to have similar kind of videos. Thank you.